Hi, I'm B.B. Walton, Chair of the Stewardship Committee, and I want to introduce you to this year's church-wide study entitled Shiny Gods by Mike Slaughter. During the 4 weeks of September, we'll be offering this study during the Sunday School hour as well as the Wednesday night class. We hope that you will find the time to participate in one of these sessions or return here each week for a recap of the lesson. We are so blessed here at First United Methodist in North Little Rock to have a congregation that embraces God's call to serve. Sometimes we mistakenly believe that being a Christian means that we will say the right thing, we will accept some abstract idea, or even claim an emotion. In reality, a good Christian loves God intentionally with sacrificial acts. Proclaiming Christ by loving God and serving God's people is this church's mission statement. In Proverbs 3, verse 9, it says, "Honor the Lord with your wealth, with the first fruits of your crops. Then your barns will be filled to overflowing, and your vats will brim with new wine." Sometimes this can be a scary thought, and so we become paralyzed into a state of mind that holds on. And if there's anything left, well, then we'll give a small portion of the leftover. When we accept Jesus Christ as our Savior, our mind begins to turn away from selfish acts. All the trappings of a shiny God are a distraction for us from God's call to a Christian life. God has designed us to be the producers of God's blessings in the lives of others. Christianity is in no way a spectator life. We can be a blessing because, as it says in Deuteronomy 8:18, "Remember that the Lord is your God, for it is He who gives you the ability to produce wealth, and so confirms His covenant which He swore to your forefathers and to us today." Over the next 4 weeks, we will discover what shiny gods are an impediment to us claiming our Christian heritage. With an understanding of what shiny gods in our path, we can move from a mindset of donation to a mindset of sacrificial giving, and moving out of a lifestyle that is guided by consumerism and instead moves towards a heart for investing. Pledging and tithing is a journey of hope. We are here to walk it along with you.